Self-repaired driveways can affect liability and coverage primarily through documentation and the quality of the work. If you fix your driveway yourself, most home insurance policies will not automatically deny a claim simply because you performed the repair, especially for private residential driveways that do not serve commercial traffic. Focus on doing the repair correctly. Assess underlying causes like settlement, poor drainage, or tree roots before patching so you do not trap water or mask a progressing failure. Use materials and methods appropriate to the substrate. For concrete, that means proper mixing ratios, control joints, and curing time. And for asphalt, use a compacted subbase, tack coat where needed, and rolling to achieve density. Photograph the site before, during, and after repair, and keep receipts for materials and any rented equipment, because clear records help when you file a claim later or when a prospective buyer asks about past work. If the driveway serves multiple households or public access, notify your insurer and consider professional work to reduce liability exposure and meet any municipal codes. When a repair is beyond your skill set, hire a qualified contractor and get a written scope of work and any manufacturer or contractor warranty to protect you if the fix fails. Homeowners often underestimate subgrade problems and only fix the surface, which leads to recurring cracking. The remedy is to excavate to firm base and address drainage before repaving. Another frequent issue is poor documentation, which can complicate a claim or sale. Solve this by keeping dated photos, material receipts, and a brief repair log describing steps taken. People also assume that professional warranties or insurance will automatically cover a prior do-it-yourself repair if it fails later. The practical fix is to disclose prior work to your contractor so they can advise on warranty applicability and consider a follow-up professional overlay or stabilization that includes explicit warranty terms. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for driveway repair and connects contractors with nearby work opportunities. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experiences, tips, and photos that make it easier to decide when to DIY and when to hire help.